What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, back at the thrift store. You know, I was feeling cold, it's snowy out. I figured, let's go thrifting. There shouldn't be too many people here, and I was semi-right. It's a little busy, but it's busier than I thought, actually. Let's go inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. There's actually a lot of carts here. It should be 50% off day, so everything besides one color, everything except green is what the sign says. Okay. So first things first, we checked the video games. There was nothing really good in here. A bunch of the same stuff that they usually have, lots of sports titles and just games that aren't really worth too much. So nothing too interesting here, but I will give you guys a quick look. You'll see it's, you know, there's some DVDs mixed in. I thought this Wheel of Fortune was worth money. It used to be, but not anymore. So nothing super special. NBA 2K12 actually used to be worth money on the Wii. I don't think it still is, but we'll grab it because it's $2.50. We'll look it up in a little bit. You can see in the cart we got some DVD sets, some Blu-ray sets, so some interesting stuff. You could see there's just so much when it comes to DVDs. There's some Japanese releases right here, some anime or Chinese releases, so that's kind of cool. Nothing super special though. So just taking a quick look, seeing if anything stands out to me. I have no idea what that is. Some interesting stuff. I feel like I always check out the media and stay there for too long, so let's go check out the rest of the store and see what else we find. Oh, here's some cool Christmas stuff. See a little Rudolph. Let's see what that is. There we go. It's a cute little Rudolph. It stands and spins. Let's see, does he work? Oh, that's kind of cool. So I tried looking it up for a little bit just with some keywords because there was nothing, no brand or anything on it. And it looks like a lot of Rudolph stuff actually goes for some good money, but I can't find that and they want $8 for it. So I'm just gonna leave it behind. Let's go look at the games and toys, which are way down there. Look at all of these toy baggies. Let's see what they got. See if there's anything cool in here. Got some wrestling figures. Don't know if they're old or not. There's 2 bags of them. You know, we'll just stick them in the cart since they are, well, $13. It's actually pretty expensive. They're both 13. Take a closer look. Most of them appeared to be from 2005, I would say, but they were in way worse shape than I thought they were, so I just left them to come look at the board games. There was another reseller over there going through all the baggies, so figure let's get ahead of him and look at this stuff. Let's look this up together. I've sold this brand before. Where's the brand? Right there, Learning Resources. I've sold their stuff before and it usually does pretty well. What do they want for this? $8. It seems like $8 is the price today on a lot of things. All right, so we have our Amazon seller app pulled up. Let's scan it in, see what happens. Okay, so the rank is a little high. It's almost 1 million in office products, not toys. Office products is a different category, so will this sell? Yeah, it'll take a long time to sell, but it's $44. Do I take the risk and see how long it takes to sell? It could take half a year to sell, and it's kind of big, so we don't want to incur storage fees in Amazon's warehouse. I'm gonna keep it in the cart and think about it. It's a maybe. It's a big maybe because of that rank. But we're gonna keep looking through these games here. See what else we got. This looks kind of cool. What is this? It's a Superman flying toy. That is the worst paint job ever. We're gonna put him back. We got a Rick and Morty Anatomy Park, the game. It's kind of interesting. Don't really want to mess with used games right now though. No stress. Ooh, Guess Who. You know, I've had really good luck with different Guess Who games. I've never seen this one before. It's $3, but it is half off, so it's $1.50. Let's look this up. It might be worth some money. All right, here we go. Let's scan it in. Okay, so this has a much better rank. Brand new, it's going for almost $40. Used, it's going for only $12.99. So after fees, it's not going to be worth it. It'll go back on the shelf. Here we go. This is kind of cool right behind me. A Birdhouse Workshop. Let's see how much this guy's going for. We'll look him up right now. So sad, not on Amazon. It might be good on eBay. I'll look it up, but I highly doubt it. Things like this usually do better on Amazon. That's why I never really check eBay. We'll try to scan in that barcode right there. Come on, eBay. Yeah, not even on eBay, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Let's keep looking. This is interesting. I noticed this brand. This is Barstool Sports. This looks like a hockey jersey. I don't know if it's discolored, if that's supposed to be white. It's $20 though. I don't know how much Barstool Sports stuff goes for, so we're gonna look this up real quick. And this would definitely be something that would go on eBay, not Amazon. So we're gonna look this up. All right, so I found it. One sold for $60 on a best offer, but as you can tell with this one, like I said, that white is kind of a yellowish tan right now, and it's definitely discolored because if you look at this listing, it is bright white. So this is like super dirty. Son, I wouldn't even, I mean, $20 anyways, I wouldn't mess with it. If it was $5, maybe, and I'd try to wash it, but nah, not really worth it. Because who knows what it sold for on that $60 offer. Somebody could have taken an offer of 20 bucks, right? So let's keep looking here. What's this? Kids Against Maturity. It looks like a play on Cards Against Humanity. It might be worth it. Let's look this guy up as well. All right, we found it. Now I can't sell it. I'm actually restricted. It looks like only one person selling it, so it's probably the brand that's selling it, but it has a really good rank. So this is something we would double check over on eBay. Now they want $6, but it's half off, so it's only $3. So let's look this up on eBay. All right, so I looked it up on eBay and I sorted by lowest to high and I scrolled till I found the correct one. 20 bucks is the cheapest one. Next one is at what, like $22.76. So it's definitely gonna be a pickup for eBay because it's only $3. So it's kind of heavy, but it should still sell pretty well. So I've actually sold this piggy bank a few times in the past, and I know it's worth good money because I've sold it and it's only $2. I went and I looked it up on Amazon and I was like, oh, why is the rank so high? Nobody's on the listing, so I get to make my own price. This is something I'd probably look to see what I sold it for before and either match that or up it by $5 or so. I think I sell these for like $25 maybe, something around there. So maybe I'll list it for like $29.99 or $24.99, but that's definitely a good pickup. We have another new thing back here. Mag formers, $6. Holy moly, why is it so expensive? It's so small. Let's look it up, see if it's even on Amazon. Oh, it won't scan in. Let's try again. So another issue with a brand that I cannot sell. I am restricted, so that happens on a bunch of things, honestly, that I have to leave behind. So this one's getting left behind. Here we go, this is kind of cool. Right behind me we have Clue, the Classic Edition, $8. It's brand new sealed. I gotta peel this sticker to get to the barcode though, so I'm gonna do that real quick. So I peeled it off and then put it back on, and as you guys can see, it sells really well, has a great rank, but you'd only make $8 after fees and it costs $8. So this is staying behind. So this is happening quite a bit. I just looked this up, beat that. For $4, it's restricted on Amazon, of course. A lot of brands have been making their items, you know, only where they could sell them so they could keep the prices high, and, you know, it is what it is. So this is $4. It's selling for $25. So even if it's going for $20 to $25 on eBay, this is not something I would pick up, and let me explain why. So this Kids Against Maturity game can fit in a padded flat rate envelope and ship for about $7, so I'll make some money on it. Something like this, it weighs over a pound and it will not fit into, it actually probably weighs over 2 pounds, maybe close to 3, and it will not fit in a small envelope. So I'd have to ship this in a box. If it's going to, you know, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, it's only gonna cost me $8 to ship. But let's say it goes to California or Washington, it could be $11, $12 to ship. And at that price, after the fees, after what I pay for it, you know, it's almost not worth the effort for $5 or so. So I'll leave that behind. This, quick and easy to pack, gonna be worth it. So that was my mind thought process. Let's keep looking. All right, we got a whole bunch of Rock Band guitars. These can be good. Oh, except these prices are crazy. So this is a PlayStation 3 guitar, $15, no dongle. You need a dongle for these PlayStation 3 guitars, so that's not gonna be worth it. We have a, looks like a PlayStation 2 guitar right here, $15. That is also, it's also missing the battery compartment and it's rusted, so that's crazy. But then we have one for $5 right here. Let's take a closer look at this one. $5 isn't bad, but again, PlayStation. How I could tell, if this were an Xbox One, where that little guitar is, there would be an Xbox logo. Instead, it's PlayStation. So this also wouldn't really be worth it. You need a dongle for the PlayStation ones. The Xbox ones you don't. What else do we have here? $15 for this busted one, and $15 for another busted one. So these used to always be priced at this $5, and every once in a while I'd grab a couple, but they probably know that these are worth money, so they're trying to charge $15, and look how many they have. Normally you get lucky if you find one or two, but you know, you see that a lot in thrift stores. They just jack up the prices and hope that people buy them, and when nobody buys them, they either throw them out or, you know, they do half off day. So something that's red is half off and still nobody's grabbed it. The day's almost over. So they really need to bring the prices back down. Just have a little Funko Pop right there. $6. Gonna leave him. All right, so let's keep looking. Okay, these are interesting. These little Razor scooters, electric ones. They're priced at $25.25, but they're half off, right? I actually just flipped 2 of these for $100 locally. It took a while to sell, and it was right before Christmas, so I think that's why they sold. It's probably not something I'd pick up again unless they were $5. These are also a lot dirtier than the ones I sold. You also need a charger for these, and not a single one of these has a charger, so leaving those. Okay, this fox is kind of sketchy. It's $40. He's kind of life-size. He's got all the limbs. Who is he? He kind of looks like, what, Fantastic Mr. Fox? I don't know. He's kind of creeping me out, so I'm going to leave this before he turns his head and looks at me. All right, so a pretty small haul right here. I think we're going to go head to another thrift store. Get 2 on film. The snow's not too bad right now. It actually looks really pretty. So, you know, we got the piggy bank, a couple DVDs, a little game right there. Nothing too special. There is some good money in this stuff. But let's go hit up another store. You know what? Let's go hit up the game exchange. See if we can find some cool video games or movies or toys. Let's go there. These snowflakes are giant. They're so big. You know, I always forget thrift stores in Connecticut do not have bags anymore. So you have to bring your own. And I never bring my own. So, I mean, it's all right that I have a van, but everything's going to be sliding around the back. This is all just going on the floor. Hopefully it all doesn't slide around too much, but it's got to sit there. So it's been a while since I've been here, and it looks like they're closing up soon. They got the metal fence closing. What time do they close? Oh no, they close at 9. I don't know what's going on. Oh, there they are. Look at these guys. Look at all these sexy working men. So this is where I usually look for some of the bigger finds in this game exchange. They keep all the really good stuff hidden in the cabinets. Got a couple copies of Diablo for $105. A couple N64 games up here. Now, I actually bought a whole bunch of NCAA footballs here for $60 or $70 each, and I sold every single one of them on Amazon. I just sold the last one today for $180 a pop. So I was making about $100 profit on those, and I think I bought 8. So I'm not seeing anything here. It's hard to tell with the prices, so I'm gonna look into those Diablos real quick. Not enough profit to be had. Selling for $150, you make $123, costs $105, so yeah, you'd make about $20. Not really worth it. There's a few Rock Band drum sets, but I'm pretty sure prices are too high. Yeah, $70. I mean, this is a game store. You're not going to get thrift store prices here, but every once in a while, you just find a few things that slip through the cracks. They have a very large movie section. Sometimes I'll find some good box sets over there, so might be what we end up doing, because the video games, you know, they're all priced at $18, $19, $45. These are things that you're not going to make a profit on. All right, I moved from the movies and the video games to the records because I wasn't finding anything, and I scanned in this brand new sealed Killers Sam's Town for $25, and take a look at this. Has a very good rank, selling for $90, used coming in at $69, so that's $70. Even if I price it $10 cheaper, that's $60. So I'm looking to make at least $30 to $40 on this guy, so taking that. We're gonna keep looking up all the sealed ones. Actually, this one's damaged, so we'll skip past that. We have a Led Zeppelin right here. This one's $25. It's a deluxe 2 LP set, so let's see what this guy's going for. Again, $25. Scan it in. Great rank, selling for $50, so I'll make $10 on it. I think I'm gonna do it because it's gonna sell so fast, and I haven't found much today, so there we go. Another 10. We have a Beatles album right here. There's a little rip in it, but they also want $39. We'll do a quick look up and see if it's worth anything. Yeah, brand new. It's selling for 62. This one again has a little rip in it. You'd only make, you know, $5-6, so I'll leave that behind. We have an Avengers one for 38, kind of expensive. So I'm gonna keep scanning these and see if I find anything else. Here we go. This one's really good. Beyonce's Lemonade for 34. Great rank, selling for 100, so you'll make 78. On my $34 purchase, that is a steal of a deal. It's going right there. And I just realized all these are sealed too, so we're gonna go through all of these. All right, so the records are the right call. This AC/DC selling for 26, and look at this, selling for 55. You'll make 40 bucks minus my 26, so another great deal. We'll look up Lizzo right here, $22. I don't think this one's gonna be worth much, but you never know. Lizzo might be valuable. Let's see what's going on today. You guys can see how hard it is for me to scan some of these. There we go. So selling for $39. You'll make 26, but this one costs 22. So we'll leave that one behind and keep going. All right, so I went through and I scanned all the rest of them. There were so many, and not another one was actually worth it. So we do have our stack right here though. Pretty good stack. I'm happy about it. I mean, definitely gonna make over $100 here. So we'll grab all of these and leave them up front.